Web development is an exciting and dynamic field, and it all starts with three fundamental technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of any web page. It structures the content with elements like headings, paragraphs, and images. For example, to create a heading, we use the h1 tag, and for a paragraph, we use the peep tag. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, brings style to your web page. It controls the layout, colors, fonts, and overall design. Imagine changing the background color of your web page to blue using the background color property, or setting all your text to a specific font with the font family property. JavaScript adds interactivity to your web pages. It's a powerful scripting language that can respond to user actions, like clicks and form submissions. For example, you can create a button that shows a message when clicked by using a simple function in JavaScript. Let's put it all together with a real example. Imagine you're building a personal blog. You start with HTML to structure your content, add CSS to make it visually appealing, and use JavaScript to make it interactive, like showing or hiding sections of your posts. Web development offers endless possibilities. Whether you're creating a personal project or building a professional website, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the tools that will help you bring your ideas to life. Start experimenting, and soon you'll be creating amazing web experiences. Ready to dive into web development? Let's get started.